Hi beauties, and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well and having a cozy fall so far. Today we're going to be doing a speed clean with me and decorating for fall. It's time to clean out our space and get ready for the fall and winter season. So go grab yourself your comforting beverage of choice, whether that be coffee or tea, and you can throw this video up on your TV to have playing in the background, or you could keep it on your phone if you'd like to clean with me. Let's go ahead and get started. We just recently rescued 2 kittens, so I'm just setting up their new bowls so that they can eat in the kitchen with us. This is your friendly reminder to wash your makeup brushes and try to wash them once a week if you can. I had just realized here that the kittens had gotten on the counter and gotten into the plants and got dirt everywhere, so I cleaned it up. And I also, to prevent it from happening again, this is just a general tip for pet owners that struggle with their animals getting into their potted plants at home. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna put little garden stones inside your pots over the soil. Not necessarily gravel, because that's too small to where they can take it out and play with it and get it everywhere as well. But the larger stones, not walking stones, but the larger ones that are too heavy for them just to bat out with their little paws. But this also helps the water retention in your plants as well, so you won't have to water them as often. Now that I've finished cleaning the entire house, it's time to decorate for fall. My fiance took me to Dollar General and Food Lion to grab a few last minute decorations, and they were playing some really good throwback 2000 songs on the radio, so I was just vibing. I couldn't believe how many Christmas decorations were already out, but we saw these 2 mugs and honestly we couldn't resist, they're just too cute. Thank you guys so much for speed cleaning with me today and decorating for fall. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.